name is Stephanie. I am an esthetician, and today I will be showing you vacuum dermasuction.
I'm blamed for real. I might just say how I feel.
So the first thing that I like to do is cleanse my face. In this video, I am using a gentle cleanser by Murad.
Work around the lashes.
So this step is very important because you want to remove all of the debris on the surface of the skin before you start using the vacuum therapy. So the next thing that I'll be using is a gentle exfoliating brush. Before you start using it, I like to damp the brush. This helps buffer off any rough or dead skin cells. So after using the exfoliating brush, I like to use a hot warm towel just to remove the excess product that's still left on the skin. So before starting the dermasuction, you want to make sure that your face is totally clean and your hair is put up. Also, using a mineral spray will help with the suction part. So before using the suction one, I like to test the level of the vacuum just to make sure it's not too high. The Dermasuction facial care vacuum is designed to pull out and remove impurities from the skin. It painlessly removes blackheads and unclogged pores without having to squeeze or use an extraction tool. It also stimulates increased blood flow and circulation. I like to use 2 passes. The second pass very fast and just paying attention to the areas that I have the most concerns in. After I use the suction, I did disinfect everything. At the end of the treatment, I did use Layru Beauty Serum, which can be found on the website. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.